As 2023 election dey draw closer, different support groups don dey organize themselves, put strategy and cause the ginger for votes to help their different candidates win election. Now this one come make People's Democratic Party (PDP) for Edo inaugurate the local government coordinators for the Nigeria Women Unite for Atiku and Okowa 2023 Edo State chapter. These women get the duty to organize women from different local governments, wards, and units to support and vote PDP presidential candidates Atiku Abubakar, im running mate Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, and all PDP candidates for 2023 election. PDP chairman for Edo State, Tony Azegbemi, when talk say this election go based on political units, still talk say PDP rely well on women to deliver all the PDP candidates for Edo State.
Let me, on behalf of the party, thank all of you for finding time to come to your secretariat this afternoon. When I was told that such a body existed by your leader, I was very impressed because she told me something that interests us as a party, which is that all of you will be pinned down to a unit where you vote. You know that this election is going to be unit-based because of the introduction, which is good, which is a good introduction of the beavers. So all what you want to do is going to be at the unit level. So when she told me that you already have plans to pin everybody back to her unit, I was very impressed, and I said, I want to be part of this success story. You won't imagine what you are doing with the plans that she told me the other day in my office. If we can have 10 women per unit, we have 4,519 polling units in Edo State. 10 times 4,519 is about 45,000. That is a lot of people to have. Then imagine if you tell those people, bring another 10. So, and you know that this governor, this party, we rely on women so much. We know that women, as they say in Nisha, for those that might not understand, if a woman backs you, you normally will not fall. So we believe and we want you to back this party. We want you to back Atiku, to back Okowa, to back our senatorial candidates, to back our House of Reps candidates, to back our House of Assembly candidates. So that once we win, clearly, this governor will declare 35% affirmative action for women in Edo State. So, my dear women, the ball is in your court. All the information, all the support you might need as you get along, let your patron know, let the DJ know, let us know as a party. We meet you at your point of need, as long as you keep your own bargain by bringing out those votes from your polling units, so that at the end, on the 27th of February 2023, all of us will come here and sing Song of Hallelujah.
Anselm Mujezu, the patron of Nigerian Women Unite for Atiku and Okowa, talk say na Nigerian women go decide who go win 2023 election. Ojezu inaugurate all the local government coordinators for the support group.
Nigerian Women Unite for Atiku and Okowa. You know why we keep emphasizing that? Because the election for 2023 is going to be different. Before you could say maybe it's this party or that party. But today you can see many confusion all over the place. The people who will decide victory in the next election are the Nigerian women. Any candidate who has the women with him, like the state chairman said, whoever is backed by a woman can never fall. And you have proved it in Edo State over and over and over again. Nobody needs any evidence, because you yourself, you are the evidence of that statement. As we walked in here, I looked around, and from my previous experience, I can tell you with confidence that anybody who has these women in his support in Edo State only needs to add small to get a resounding victory. Because most of you here, we have worked together before. We have admired you from a distance. And by God's grace, you are still standing firm in support of all that is good, including and especially Atiku and Okowa. In Edo State, we say Atiku and Okowa, but especially we will also say all our senators, all our candidates for House of Representatives, all our candidates for House of Assembly, they are all standing on Atiku and Okowa ticket. We have our party. The party has its campaign organizations, both for the state, for the women, and for the youth. Our own is to complement the efforts of our party. But you are different. Other support groups may be religious groups, they may be tribal groups, they may be unions in terms of what they do, carpenters union, but you are the only one that has a full complement of a structure that goes from the state to the local government, to the ward, and down to the unit. So by the time work starts and Nigerian women unite for Atiku and Okowa in Edo State begin to move, people will feel the impact and your work will speak for you. My pleasure and privilege to present to you your appointment letter as the local government coordinator for Akoko Edo local government. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations as I present your letter of appointment to you as coordinator of Okowa local government. Well done. Congratulations.
Haija Jumai Mohammed, when be the state coordinator of this group, and Anslem Ojezwa, when be patron, contribute mouth for the importance of this group.
The women what you see for here today, they are from different local governments of the state. So we come here to inaugurate them so that they will know what they are doing. Because some of them, they are only there in the villages. They know that they are coordinators, but they don't know the meaning of what they are coordinating for. So that is why I use the chance today to call all of them to this place or to party office so that I will explain to them what to do. Today, we are collecting unit by unit. Each coordinator, we from each ward, we collect all the units in that ward. Now the unit, 10 person per unit. That is what we want for the whole Edo State. 10 women per unit. If the units are 100, we need 30 women from that 100 units. You times it and see how much she's going to give. And we are not stopping on Atiku and Okowa, you know. From State House of Assembly to senators, we are using this medium to help them, to solicit for vote from the women, because we know that when women start for you, she will not go back. Because as you are seeing them here now today, we have mandated every one of them to go to their interior villages to talk to women. We are like door to door, but we are still making sure to see that every 30 person we are collecting from each unit, we know that 30 person must have a friend. Must you say, I want to follow my friend, go vote. Maybe one can be times 2. Maybe when we will get 100, we may get 200. So I know, my happiness is that our leaders believe in us. They believe what we are doing. Our state chairman, especially, is supporting us greatly. He said he has never seen something like this. That what we are doing, because we are not doing it for show. We are doing it to inside our belly. It come off from our belly, say we want to do it for Atiku and Okowa and all the other candidates that are going to election come 2023.
Any political organization will not get independent groups where they support them. They are on their own. And they're not going to ever fit win. So when you see a party, apart from your own structure, still get people like this to come help them. Now, a very big one. And that's why I talked for my speech just now. And from my own experience, the most loyal and supportive group of people are women. Now, only women I know say when they dey with you, you go know say they dey with you. Others, maybe not.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. Not tell I'm give any politician on election day.